Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Good afternoon everyone. Today is the day. Oh my god, we're very excited. Siguro napapansin niyo sa boses ko guys. But we are going to do the gender reveal finally. Oh my god. So we've got this one now guys. We've got the balloon and we just have to pop it. For me, guys, I'll go for a boy. That is
1,000,000% a go.
And Paris, sister or brother? Sister. Okay. I have my family here, guys. So, sa Pilipinas, we're live. So, what do you think, my mama and Mingay? What do you think, a girl or a boy?
I think you got the right one.
It's a boy! It's a boy! 100%!
So, yun na nga, guys. Everyone, boy. Only Daddy Mike and Paris, girl. So, we'll find out now.
Can you see the balloon?
Okay, can you see the balloon?
I'm gonna hold it.
Can you hold it, Daddy?
They just hold it.
Kintay, mama, oy!
Ako naman!
He's the mother, very excited.
Ano?
Okay, here's
Here!
Oh my
Wait,
God.
yes! Sorry!
Ang tiyan, ang tiyan, ang tiyan, ang tiyan!
Are you gonna get one?
What is?
Yeah, just do this.
Oy, nanyan!
Okay? Ano? Bahayang lagi natubuan. It's very hangin.
Come on,
Okay,
Mama.
Mama. Count, Mark! Count. Okay. Stay here na. Stay here,
Count.
Mama. Stay here. We gotta know if it's a girl or a boy. Come on.
Come, look at me.
We'll go with Tito Ron then.
Sakto na ba na ako?
I don't know. Seriously. Does it say girl or boy?
No gender.
Yeah, then not girl or boy. No?
No, come here.
It's okay.
Go.
Come here, Paris. Come.
Okay, Mana, ready
This
na ma?
way.
Ready na ma?
Sige na,
This way.
go!
Okay.
Ready? 5,
Hey!
3.
Ali Paris, come on.
She's scared.
Again, 5, 4,
3.
2, 1.
Wait.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Oh man.
What is the thing?
Oh no. It's a girl.
Lalaki, lalaki.
Bring up the balloon to people.
It's the girl.
Girl.
Basta ba?
Paris' sister.
Oh my God. Blue balloon meron. Pink yung Danny. Girl daw ko.
Papa.
Hala, wala girl.
Go. You got a sister.
Do it again.
Oh my God. It's a girl. It's a girl. Their mom.
Girl.
Guy, run. Oh my God, gonna read it. Guys, fail ang ating gender reveal, ha? We'll read. Ito talaga ang magsasabi. See?
It's a female, right?
Female! Female! Female!
Paris has sister. No.
Guy! Female, guys! It's a
Pink!
Oi.
It's a sister!
Baby sister.
Nalibat naman ko eh!
Babae, yay?
You're a girl. See?
It's a girl. You have a lot of balloon
I'm
now.
still right.
I was like looking at this one. I'm like, what's happening here?
Sira. Nabuang nga. Ay. Ay. Kuha man to. Ang sa tawag ani.
This one, right? Yeah, it's a girl.
Female.
1,000,000%.
I'm still correcting.
Come here.
It's a girl.
Let's stop this. Let's stop this.
Guys, naubo man ko ito nakagawas una ganina.
Huh?
Ang katungguan.
But it's a girl.
It's a girl, guys. It's a girl.
Assistant. Congratulations.
Yeah.
I really thought I don't know. It was dark.
You're having a sister.
And the cardboard.
Paris having a sister.
High five.
Yay! Sayop na tanan. Sayop tang tanan.
Should we just stop this and edit it?
No, we can't. That's fine. That's all good. Grabe, T. Nag-hook na ko na itong apoy.
I want to be a boy though. I was right there. Okay.
I'm having a sister.
No, I didn't use it.
Huh?
Under the thingy.
Wow!
You know, the copper is dark. The copper is dark. Stop it!
Narang girl. Narang
Stop
girl.
that!
Ayun, yung maburos ka, T. Para sa imo. So guys, we are back inside the house. And we're just going to do a quick Q&A sa ating Mr. Fail na gender reveal. Oh my god. So what happened? Anong nangyari? Tell me.
No, I think it was dark in the car park.
But alam niyo guys, for some
No,
reason
I was nervous, I think. I was nervous. I'm like, I think this is the right balloon. I'm 100%. What's the team? I was like 100%. Nah. Like, I literally double checked back. What, 100%? Because
yeah, because nag-work kami sa office today, guys. And then this morning, we went to get the result. And then umalis ako ng office, iniwan ko sa kanya kasi siya nga yung mag-organize, diba? For some reason, I had the feeling already that something's gonna go wrong.
really?
Yes! That's why I said like, oh, the balloon is going to be like swap and everything. And then also, kasi guys, yung si Daddy Mike, bumili din ng balloon. Like, girl, this one, girl and boy. Ito sana, kasi yung first plan is ilalagay sa box, tapos i-open yung box. And then, ito yung lilipad, di ba? Girl or boy. So while Daddy Mike was walking back home, nilipad ng hangin yung girl. So maybe that's a sign that it's a girl. So yung naiwan na lang ay boy. Tapos sabi niya, let's go back to the shop. Sabi ko, wag na lang. Kasi yun na lang yung gagamitin namin na, na balloon, yung kay Ron.
Huh?
Ayun nangyari guys, pinaasa.
Balloon flew away.
Pinaasa, yun ko din mo, te.
No, I'm not.
Pinaasa. Kasi I really, the thing guys, for
I'm
me.
feeling that's why we're blue.
yeah, hindi.
Ready na kami.
Yeah.
But no,
Hindi
it's
ko
not.
talaga sinadya na magsuot ng blue today. Although, I'm very happy with both girl or boy. Like, super happy. The most important thing for me is that yung resulta na sabi ng doktor kanina about sa abnormalities and all. I'm low risk. So, si baby natin ay okay. Walang problema sa ganyan. Thank you, Lord.
I thought it was that.
But yeah, yun lang yun guys. Kasi yung nasa isip ko talaga is boy. Kasi in my head, maybe because
It's a first.
di ba wala pa kaming boy, si Paris lang. So I thought like to have a boy, then parang my experience din ako to have, like a boy, like a child, a boy child. And now there's no more guys kasi yung sa amin ni Daddy Mike, we're only gonna have 2 kids. So that's it for us. Two little girls. And
What's it?
Daddy,
That's it.
how are you feeling?
Yeah, good. I'm happy.
Super happy with Ron.
I'm happy now that, like, I know. You know what I mean? Like, I've been anxious, like, this whole time. Now the anxiety is gone with that,
Yeah.
and I think Paris gets what she wants.
Yeah.
Yeah, I really think Paris is gonna be happier with her little sister than her brother. That's what I really think.
Yeah. Kasi in the family, guys, si Daddy Mike lang talaga at saka si Paris yung sabi, girl. Ako, blue. And then, actually, like, a boy. Actually, si Ron, akala niya boy din. Tapos, yung family ko, lahat sila talaga boy. So, yeah, sila lang ang tama. But yeah, that's it, guys. That's it for today's video. Yun lang yung ganap natin today. Now, I can go to my online shopping and proceed with my checkout now kasi alam ko na yung kulay na bibilhin ko kasi I've been adding to cart, guys, pero blue and pink, and now I'm sure na pink na siya. Then yeah, we gotta do
Paano
that.
paglabas ng bata boy?
It's a prank, guys.
I love you still.
Love you still.
You still love me?
Love you still. Sarap. Pinaasa talaga ako, guys, kasi akala
But your
ko-
other balloon is pink, man. Tama din yung isang box.
Yeah, I know, but then that's the yung binasihan natin is yung yung balloon na may
So for anyone na gusto mag-organize,
Wag niyo siyang ipa-organize, guys. That's what I'm telling you. Wag niyo siyang ipa-organize kasi siya rin yung parang mas na-excite siya, guys. Mas naaang siya kaya yung nangyari.
I thought it was like that. I was like panic. Like I was like, overwhelmed. Ang daming iniisip, and I was like, the car's dark. I'm like,
There you go.
that's just what happens. But
Don't hire him.
it's a good, very genuine video.
Oh boy. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching today's video. I
It's a
hope
good
you
story to
enjoyed.
tell.
And yes, magpara-paraan ka pa, sabihan mo sa mga para we'll feel better. Let us know, guys, your baby girl's name in the comment section below if meron kayo. But yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all, guys, in the next one. Paris, don't forget to be good, and if you can,
Purse?
Paris, ikaw? Tignan niyo siya, guys. Naka-baby boy pa.
It's a boy.
Paris, don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Bye.
Careful, bye.
bye.
Paris.
I'm Scott.